Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check save contact on Google account on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Alright guys, so if you save someone else's cell phone number in your Google account, then trust me that it is the safest place because it will remain and keep safe. Okay guys, so without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial. Okay, first now we can go to settings menu, and here we can scroll down till the bottom, and then now we can go to Google. Okay, here you can go to manage your Google account, wait a little bit, and then from here you can swipe and go to people and sharing guys. So yeah, this is the save contacts on your Google account. You can see the details, and yes, here are some contacts that I have previously saved to this Google account guys. So it keeps safety in this account. Alright guys, so here the tutorial on how to check save contacts on Google account on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.